Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. It's a very easy method, and most people in their videos they usually lie to you. So what I'll tell you is the truth here. So there's no direct method, okay? Because I'll give you the workaround though, but because if you are requesting a withdrawal in PrizePicks, you can only do that to a method you've previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account, okay? You can only request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card. So I'm going to share with you the workaround. So what you do, guys, is you withdraw. Let's say you deposited using your bank account or your debit card. So we'll link that with our Cash App. And then what we'll do, guys, is once these funds reach our approved bank account or debit card that we used to deposit with, we'll withdraw it to there. And then we'll link that with our Cash App, okay? Link that with your Cash App. Go to your Cash App, tap on Add Cash, enter the amount, and select your linked bank account or your debit card. And then confirm the transfer, and your PrizePicks winnings will now be in your Cash App. It's really that easy and simple. So that is the workaround, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.